This is the third year GNM question paper final board examination, Maharashtra State Board of Nursing and Paramedical Education, Midwifery and Gynecological Nursing, conducted in the year 2024 February. In multiple choice question, first one, the largest diameter of the fetal skull is present in dash presentation. The answer is B, bro. Second one, the process of fusion of spermatozoa with mature ovum is known as dash. The answer is D, fertilization. Umbilical cord consists of dash. The answer is D, two artery, one vein. Fourth one, anemia in pregnancy is defined as when hemoglobin level is less than dash. Answer is C, 10 gram per dl. Fifth one, denominator in vertex presentation is dash. The answer is A, occiput. Next, match the following. First one, chloasma. The answer is D, pregnancy mass. Second one, mala N and mala D. The answer is A, family planning. Third one, ectopic pregnancy. The answer is E, acute abdominal pain. Fourth one, physiological jaundice. The answer is B, sunlight. Fifth one, elderly primigravida. The answer is C, high risk pregnancy. Next, state true or false. First one, intake of any drug should be avoided during first trimester. The answer is true. Second one, in placenta previa, placenta is implanted in lower segment of uterus. The answer is true. Third one, female pelvis is known as gynecoid pelvis. The answer is true. Fourth one, injection metagine is given in case of mother who is having heart disease. The answer is false. Fifth one, ultrasonography is used only after the 28th week of pregnancy. The answer is false. Then there is short note questions. Define the following, state difference between, and long essay questions. This is the continuation of the paper, long essay questions. This is the Marathi question paper of midwifery and gynecological nursing. This is the continuation of midwifery and gynecological nursing Marathi paper. This is also the continuation of midwifery and gynecological nursing Marathi question paper. The second subject, community health nursing, multiple choice question. First one, first 5-year plan is implemented in dash year. The answer is B, 1951 to 1956. Second one, municipal corporation is headed by dash. Third one, the Food and Agriculture Organization FAO of the United Nations was formed in 1945 and headquartered in dash. The answer is B, Rome. Fourth one, MPHW scheme is implemented in India since 1973 as per recommendation of dash committee. The answer is A, Kartar Singh committee. Fifth one, cold chain equipment used in PHC level for storage of vaccine is dash. The answer is D, ILR. Next, match the following. First one, low birth weight baby. Answer is E, kangaroo methods. Second one, Panchayat Raj. The answer is D. Three-tier system. Third one, anthracosis. The answer is A. Coal dust. Fourth one, indicators of health. The answer is B. Vital health statistics. Fifth one, Savitri Bai Phule Kalyan Yojana. The answer is C. Sterilization after one or two girls. Next, state true or false. First one, evaluation of health services is necessary. Answer is true. Second one, height is the only sensitive measurement of growth. The answer is false. Third one, total doses of 6 of vitamin A is given to under 5 years children. The answer is false. Fourth one, copper T 380A can used up to 10 years. The answer is true. Fifth one, Ayurveda is part of Ayush. The answer is true. Then there is short notes, answer the following, and long essay questions. This is the Marathi question paper of community health nursing. This is the continuation of Marathi question paper community health nursing. The third subject, nursing education and research in nursing professional trends and adjustment, nursing administration and ward management. Multiple choice question. First one, dash is representative of total study population. The answer is D. Sample. Second one, the headquarter of World Health Organization is situated at dash. The answer is C. Geneva. Third one, the main characteristics of true experimental study is manipulation, control and dash. Answer is B. Randomization. Fourth one, four essential elements of directing are motivation, communication, leadership and dash. Answer is A. Supervision. Fifth one, the ideal ratio for staff nurses in intensive care unit is dash. The answer is A. 1:1. Next, match the following. First one, lecture method. The answer is C. One-way communication. Second one, discussion method. The answer is D. Two-way communication. Third one, staff development. The answer is E. In-service education program. Fourth one, meta-analysis. The answer is B. Study based on various results. Fifth one, null hypothesis. The answer is A. No relationship between study variables. Next, state true or false. First one, supervisors should not be overburdened. Answer is true. Range is difference between upper and lower limit. The answer is true. Third one, research participant has every right to withdraw self from the research study at any stage. The answer is true. Fourth one, opportunities for incidental teaching in the wards are limited. The answer is false. Fifth one, lecture method of teaching provides opportunity to each and every student to clear their doubts. The answer is false. Continuation of the paper, there are define the following terms, write the short notes and answer the following long essays. This is the Marathi question paper of third subject. This is the continuation of Marathi question paper, third subject. This is also the continuation of Marathi question paper, third subject.